a whole lot of polishing later with my new El Cheapo buffer. And we've got some shiny non-tech drive Kirby's. And you're seeing twins together again for the first time. Both Heritage 2 Legends. So one was my mother's down in Florida that I rescued, and then the other one was mine, and they look about the same. Of course, let's not forget the Sentria 1. I've hit that again with the buffer. It looks pretty good, but it's now time to completely disassemble the main unit and everything else and start scrubbing it so it will eventually look good too. Well, you obviously have seen me in other videos take the front nozzle off and disassemble all that and clean all this up and at least polish this part. So let's get going with disassembling the rest of the Sentria 1. And we will use steel wool at some point in time because this is very crusty. Very, very crusty. another controversial thing that I do, okay? Kirby doesn't recommend this, so don't do it. You can just watch me do it and laugh if you want. I go and I grease, wheel bearing grease, this entire shaft, all of it. No, I don't mean on top of all the parts. I mean the shaft itself, right? The spring, the ball bearing, so on and so forth. Because this, right here, can get exposed to water. Okay, this is a very common problem. This shaft right here can get exposed to water, or at least very high humidity. And I've seen all these pieces in here end up getting very rusted and very corroded. And then you have a problem with this not really turning all that well. And also you have all the corrosion and rust. Now, this wasn't exposed to a whole lot, but to make sure, because I'll use the Sentria 1 shampooer that I got with this setup, I want to make absolutely sure that this stays uncorroded over a number of years. So yep, I'll put wheel bearing grease all over everything, and it will make everything be super smooth.